Everyone, I am Justin James Ariel, and today I'll be presenting on RA 9729, or the Climate Change Act of 2009, and I'm excited to share it with you, and I hope you find it informative. So let's get to the video. So RA 9729 Climate Change Act, navigating the climate imperative. The Philippines, an archipelago nation highly vulnerable to the impacts of climate change, enacted Republic Act Number 9729, also known as the Climate Change Act of 2009. This landmark legislation established a comprehensive framework for climate action, integrating both adaptation and mitigation strategies into national development plans. It represents a proactive stance by government to address the escalating challenges posed by changing climate. So, Chapter 1, Institutional Framework. Climate Governance. At the heart of RA 9729 lies the establishment of key institutions designed to steer the nation's climate response. These bodies are tasked with policy formulation, coordination, and implementation, ensuring a unified and effective approach to environmental stewardship and climate resilience. CCC, or the Climate Change Commission. Number 1, lead policymaking body. CCC serves as the primary policymaking and coordinating body on climate change, formulating and guiding national strategies. Number 2, presidential oversight attached to the office of the president, ensuring high-level coordination and strategic alignment across government agencies. 3, highly leadership, chaired by the President with 3 expert commissioners, emphasizing the national priority of climate action. And number 4, unified policy approach, responsible for developing and implementing cohesive, nationally aligned climate change policy framework. Strategy pillars of the CCC. Policy development, crafting comprehensive climate change policy. Second one is program coordination, ensuring seamless integration of climate initiatives. And the third one, international engagement, representing the Philippines in global climate dialogues. So number 2, National Framework Strategy on Climate Change, or the NFSCC. Number 1, long-term vision, providing the overarching long-term strategic direction for all climate action initiatives in the country. Number 2, dual focus, adaptation and mitigation, encompasses both the country's goals for adapting climate change impacts and mitigating greenhouse gas emissions. So number 3, guidance for agencies, serve as a crucial guide for government agencies to integrate climate priorities into their specific plans and programs. Implementing the NFSCC, the National Framework Strategy on Climate Change, is not merely a theoretical document, it is a living blueprint for action. Its principles are to put into practice through a detailed implementation plan and specific prioritization of vulnerable sectors, ensuring that the nation's efforts are targeted and effective. So, National Climate Change Action Plan, or NCCAP, the NFSCC is operationalized through the NCCAP, which outlines the specific programs and projects for achieving climate resilience and sustainable development. So next is prioritizing vulnerable sectors. This strategy places a strong emphasis on protecting and enhancing sectors most susceptible to climate change, such as agriculture and water resources, ensuring food and water security. Next, Chapter 2, Core Components. Strategic integration. The effectiveness of RA 9729 stems from its integrated approach, weaving climate consideration into the very fabric of national planning and development. This ensures that climate action is not an isolated effort but a fundamental aspect of governance and progress. Key features in practice. Policy coherence, ensuring climate policies align with broader national development goals. Multi-stakeholder engagement, fostering partnership between government, civil society, and private sector. And science-based decision-making, utilizing scientific data and research to inform climate change strategies. These practices application ensure that the intent of RA 9729 is realized through actionable programs and collaborative efforts, building a resilient and sustainable future for the Philippines. Looking ahead, a resilient Philippines. So, RA provide a robust foundation for the Philippines to address climate change, continued commitment to its principle, coupled with innovative implementation and strong partnerships, with crucial in safeguarding the nation's future against environmental challenges. Sustainable development, community resilience, technological advancement, and global cooperation. The journey towards the climate resilient Philippines is ongoing, requiring continuous efforts, adaptation, and collective vision for a sustainable tomorrow.